The abortion issue continues to be a flashpoint and the source of a lot of talk among California lawmakers. CBS 2's Laurie Perez is here with what House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Governor Newsom are saying tonight. Laurie.
Leslie, it has been a contentious week since a leaked opinion from the U.S. Supreme Court shows the justices are likely to overturn Roe v. Wade, sending abortion decisions to the states.
I've felt this enormous sense of frustration. Like, where the hell's my party? Where's the Democratic Party? You guys paying attention to what's going on?
Governor Newsom said that at Planned Parenthood last week, where he discussed abortion rights and California's commitment to safeguarding reproductive freedom. He went on to say Democrats have failed to target Republicans, asking, where's the counteroffensive? House Speaker Nancy Pelosi appeared on Face the Nation this morning, answering to that.
The fact is that we have been fighting for a woman's right to choose, and that is to choose. We have been fighting against the Republicans in the Congress constantly because the fact is they're not just anti a woman's right to choose in terms of terminating a pregnancy, but in terms of access to contraception and family planning and the rest, both domestically and globally.
Speaker Pelosi, when asked about Governor Newsom's comments, went on to say, I have no idea why anybody would make that statement unless they were unaware of the fight that has been going on. Meanwhile, the Senate is preparing to vote next week on a bill that would make abortion rights legal nationwide. Democrats acknowledge they won't have the votes to pass it, but say they want every senator on the record as to where they stand. Republicans say the rights should be decided on a state-by-state basis. I'm Laurie Perez. Back to you in the studio.